Okay, dear students, hopefully all are well. Today now I am taking a class accountancy class 11. Now today I will discuss this transaction. Now transaction is effect in goods purchase and sales. Now it is effect in goods purchase and sales. Okay. Now this is the two types, cash transactions and credit transaction. Now two types, cash and credit transaction. Cash transaction and cash transaction. What is cash transaction? And these transactions are related with cash oblique money. This is cash transactions. These transactions are related with cash oblique money. This is cash transactions. Example: purchase furniture in cash, rupees 5,000. Purchase furniture in cash, rupees 5,000. This is the cash transactions. Credit transaction. These transactions are not related in cash. These transactions are not related in cash. This is called credit transaction. Clear? This is called credit transaction. These are not related with cash, not related with cash or money. This is called credit transaction, not related with cash or money. This is the credit transactions. Example: purchase furniture from Mr. Roman and company, rupees 5,000. The purchase furniture Mr. Roman and company, rupees 5,000. This is the credit transaction. Or the transaction related with cash or money, purchase furniture in cash, rupees 5,000. Clear? Clear? This is the cash transaction and credit transaction. Now, I have already discussed the previous class different types of account: real account, personal account, nominal account, and valuation account. Today, now give some examples of real, personal, nominal, and how to write it. At first, now explain the journal. What is journal? The journal, it is the rough book. Journal, this is the means, comes from jar, J-O-U-R, jar. Jar means day or days. Jar means day or days. Any transactions are made. Right now, your particular pro forma on your chronological order, it is called journal. So what is journal? At first, right now the transactions, at first you observe the transactions posted on systematic manner, systematic pro forma. After that, write down chronological order. This is called journal. So how to write it? Students, now this is the how to write it. How to write it. Now, in the books of X and company, journal entry, date, particulars, debit, credit rupees ledger folio. Now the transaction is number 1, started business with cash. Started business with cash, rupees 10,000. Date now, date 1st June 2019. The date 2019, 1st June. Clear? Started business with cash, rupees 10,000. So what is the now started business with cash. This is now cash, debit and capital credit. Any lump sum amount invest in the business, this is called capital. The started business, now the amount invest in the business and return, this is the cash. The cash is the real account, debitor comes in, creditor goes out. So now here is cash account debit to capital account, cash account debit to capital account, 10,000 being the started business with cash, being the started business with cash. Clear? Next, number 2, purchase furniture in cash, rupees 7,000. Date 2nd June. The purchase furniture in cash. Now here furniture and cash, this is the real account account treatment. Debitor comes in, creditor goes out. The purchase furniture, now furniture is now you purchase in furniture. So you purchase in furniture means purchase comes in and cash is goes out. Now journal, furniture account debit to cash account, 7,000 being purchased furniture in cash, being purchased furniture in cash. Clear? 3rd June, paid salary, rupees 2,000. Paid salary rupees 2,000. Now here is salary is nominal account. Nominal account account treatment, loss and expenses debit, profit and gains credit. Account treatment, loss and expenses debit, profit and gains credit. The paid salary means always cash credit. Paid means always cash credit. So now 3rd June, salary account debit to cash account, salary account debit to cash account, 2,000 being paid salary, in cash, being paid salary in cash. Next, 4th June, deposited cash into bank, rupees 5,000. Deposited cash into bank. Now amount deposited into your bank. Now cash, now here cash or bank is a real account. Account treatment, debit or comes in, credit or goes out. The deposited cash into bank. So now 4th June, cash is goes out. The bank account debit to cash account, bank account debit to cash account. 5,000 being deposited cash into bank, being deposited cash into bank account, deposited cash into bank. Clear? Now again I will repeat this. First journal, started business with capital. Here cash is real account. The cash debit, capital credit. So now write down cash account debit. Credit means to capital. Credit means to capital. 10,000 now debit column and 10,000 now credit column. Clear? So now the narration Big the started business with cash. Narration Big the started business with cash. Okay. Next, purchase furniture in cash real account. Furniture debit to cash account. Furniture and cash are real account. So now purchase furniture in cash. Furniture account debit to cash account. Paid salary account debit to cash account. 2,000. Deposit into bank journal. Bank account debit to cash. 5,000. Both are real account. Okay. Next. Next, cash withdrawn for office use. Cash withdrawn for office use rupees 3,000. Cash withdrawn for office use. So now amount withdrawn from two types. Now amount withdrawn from personal purpose, now it will be treated as drawings. And amount withdrawn for office purpose, now it will be treated as cash. The next, office cash account debit to bank account. Cash account debit to bank account 3,000. Being cash withdrawn for office use. Being cash withdrawn for office used. Clear? I think all the journals are clear. Today is now end my class. Again you come back in next class. Okay? Thank you.